Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would, how to check and where you would add brake fluid to your vehicle. This is a 2019 Kia Forte and the brake fluid reservoir is right here next to the firewall on the driver's side. Where most brake fluids are is on the driver's side. And so we have our reservoir right here. We have a max and we have a minimum. And so a good way to see the level is if you put a light up to it. You can see the level a little bit better sometimes. If it's really good and clean, and which is ideal, you might not see it as well. But we're right here, so we're doing pretty good. But to add fluid, we would just remove this cap and put fluid in right here. This says it can take a .3 or 4 fluid. We'll go ahead and top it off a little bit because we do need a little bit. So we've brought it up to the line there, and then just go ahead and put the cap. It's recommended that you use a fresh fluid out of a new container or one that you've very recently used, because otherwise moisture can collect in it. Now again, you'll want to know if your fluid keeps going down. This is going to go down a little bit all over time as your brakes wear, but if it continually is going down and you're getting your light that comes on or whatnot, you're going to be looking for brake fluid leaks in your system that you'll want to address. Because when you get air in the system, you can cause, your brakes won't work properly. But this is where you would add fluid. And again, if you're adding more than just what would be normal to wear, if you're adding a lot, you're going to want to be looking for leaks around the brake calipers and the brake lines themselves. But that's how you check and add brake fluid to your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.